In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add account on MT5 PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into an account on MetaTrader 5 with your credentials. This will allow you to access most of the features available in MT5. So first, open the app and then go over to File at the top left. When you choose File, you will find Login to Trade Account. You also have other options for login, such as WebTrader or login to the MQ5 community, but the main one that I'm going to be focusing on this video is going to be login to Trade Account. If you need to open an account, use this option here and go through the process. I'm not going to go into too much detail about the sign-up process in this video. But when you choose Login to Trade Account, a menu like this one will open. Authorization allows to get access to the trade account. So you will be able to enter your credentials, login, password, and then choose from the servers available here. You have the option to save your password, so this way it will be automatically input here whenever you choose the option to sign in, and all that you have to do is click OK to get this done. And now you are signed in, ready to access all of the features available inside of MT5. You can manage your accounts through other services like this one that I'm showing you as an example, and whenever you choose the option to manage your account, you can set it up as read-only access, change the trading password, rename the account, and so on. Like I said, for this video, I'm not going to talk too much about the sign-up process. Usually that is going to come down to getting the information from a broker, so you will need your account login, password, and server details from your broker, and using the wrong server will prevent you from logging in, so make sure that you choose the appropriate one provided by your broker. MT5 allows you to switch between multiple accounts after you have logged in, so you go to File, Login to Trade Account, and in the same menu, you will see the previous accounts available in a drop-down menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to add account to MT5 PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.